Which are the 5 metal colors in jewelry that every girl or woman should own? Hello everyone, I'm Archana Shankar and welcome to my channel on fashion, image and style. So if any one of you are new here, please subscribe right away. And after you finished seeing this video, if you have liked it, please like and share with all your friends. So let's dive right in. So today I'm going to talk to you about 5 metal colors in jewelry which every woman I feel should own. So first one, as you all know, you guessed it right, it's gold. Now about gold, I don't really have to talk to you. As Indians, we love our gold. No matter which state you're from, we all love and cherish our gold. And gold is also considered as an auspicious metal. So when it comes to such auspicious events, weddings, any kind of those kind of parties, we always pull out our gold and wear it. So in gold, we love our very thin small items also, and we love our elaborate very vibrant very huge chunky pieces as well. Nowadays we also have this section of dull gold or the antique gold. The antique gold always looks more classic and looks beautiful, really lovely in photographs. So that is about gold. Now when I say about gold, gold actually looks very nice, very beautiful with the warm colors. Gold go with warm colors much better than cool colors. So warm colors, as you know, when we take the color wheel, it's mostly the reds, the reddish purples, the oranges, the yellows. So this is that spectrum in which the warm colors are. So gold looks awesome with this color scheme than with cooler colors. But obviously we wear gold with anything and everything, it doesn't really matter. But these are the colors with which it really looks nice. Now let's jump into the second metal. Yes, you guessed it again, silver. Now silver, when we think of silver, actually what comes to our mind are not chunky pieces but small, very subtle, very thin pieces which are lightweight, because we always associate silver with the Western culture. We always associate silver with Western silhouettes, Western style, mostly with those kind of dresses and trousers and jeans and tops and stuff like that. But for some reason when we think of silver, we do not actually think of like chunky pieces. So when I say silver, it doesn't really have to be silver, it's the color that I'm referring to. So you get to buy silver colored other metals which might not be so expensive, because silver is a bit expensive, and when you consider buying something big, it is quite expensive. So silver is always associated with those kind of Western silhouette mostly, but I would say it also goes very well with the traditional, depending on the colors that you take. Now like I said about gold, silver goes much better with the cool colors. So when you compare in the color scheme, again the cool colors are ranged between the some of those bluish purple or blues, then we come the greens, the bluish greens, all those colors are in the cool zone, and silver looks much better with the cool colors. Now jumping to the next one, the third metal is the oxidized. So when we talk about oxidized, we sometimes refer to it, it's colloquially referred to as black metal. I've heard many people say that, even the shopkeepers also say that as black metal, because it is a blackish kind of a silver, or it is generally also known as oxidized silver. So this is something which many people wear it, experiment with it, but it is again mostly the younger generation, in proportion it's more of the younger generation which prefer these kind of things, and a sect of people, younger or older, a sect of people who are very different about their style. who are very alternate in their style. So oxidized metal or oxidized silver, when I say, I feel because it's towards a dark tone, it goes off with most of the colors. There is nothing that it doesn't go with a certain color. It goes with warm colors as well, it goes with cool colors as well, it goes with the neutral colors, it goes with most of the colors, I feel. So that is about oxidized, which is a beautiful color to include in your collection. Then the next one, the fourth one, is the bronze or copper color. Now again, this is a color, or these are colors which not everybody is used to taking. Or when you see around, you wouldn't find a lot of women picking these colors for jewelry. This is again a very select crowd which loves to experiment with these colors. And it's not always out of 10 you might see one person adorning these colors. So but this is a very pretty color to experiment with, the bronze or the copper. So there is that brownish, the copperish, the reddish tone about the whole metal. And this again can be actually worn with any kind of silhouettes. There is actually nothing that you can only wear it with the traditional or the modern. You can wear it with both with the same kind of ease. And the colors again which go really well when you pick up a garment to wear with these metals, the colors which go the best, I feel, are the warm colors, the reds, the oranges, the yellows, the maroons, and also all those earthy tones, the browns, the dull greens, and the burgundies. All those deep blackish brownish color garments will go really well with the bronze and the copper. So it's a brilliant color again to include with it. And the fifth one, the last but not the least, is a multi metal colors, meaning you get many jewelry which is a combination of three colors, mostly three colors. It is a gold, a silver, and a copper or bronze. So it's always a combination of these three colors. There are sometimes just the gold and silver which comes, but when you add the bronze or the copper to it, it really looks extremely beautiful. So the chains will have like 3 layers, which is one in gold, silver, and the bronze. Or it will be shaded when you pick up the jewelry, it will have that kind of a shade. Or when you pick up bangles, it's a combination of these 3 colors going over it, and earrings. So in anything, these colors keep going up and down the jewelry. And like I said, this color scheme, I should say, goes with mostly any colors, because we have included all the metals. It goes very well with warm colors because the gold is there and the copper is there. It goes really well with the cool colors because the silver color is there. So it's a fantastic thing to have. And when you pick up this kind of a jewelry, you don't really have to be in doubt as to what color should I pair it with. You can pair it with anything, and it looks really vibrant, it looks young, it makes you look very, very modern. So these are the 5 metal colors which I want to discuss with you and tell you which are the colors which go really well with these. Now I would suggest that all of you should experiment with, I'm sure most of you are experimenting already. Those of you who have not experimented with those very alternate color schemes, the bronze, the copper, or the multi metal color, I strongly suggest you start experimenting with these. And if you like this video, please like and share. And again, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe right away. So I'll be back with lot of different videos on fashion, image, and style. If you want to give any suggestions, if you have any doubts, queries, please comment below so that I can give you back what you would love to see. So till then, stay happy, stay healthy. Signing off, Archana Shankar.